Hello friends, today we are going to learn how the rank function is used in Excel. The rank function in Excel is used to determine the rank of a specific value in a list of values. It can be useful for various applications like ranking of students' test scores, sales performance, or any other data set where you want to find the position of a particular value relative to other values. This is our data, and I will use the rank function in this video. So first of all, if I want to check what is the rank of this value, I mean, what is the rank of 2 to 5 among all the values that are in this column. So first of all, I would I will insert the equal sign for starting the formula or the function, and then rank RANQ, and then I will select the value for which I want to calculate the rank, comma, and then followed by the range where this value is present. So after selecting the range, I will close the bracket and then press enter. So it gave 29. That means this value rank in this data range is 29. For example, I want to use this for this value for 500, equal sign to start the function rank, and then select the value, comma, and then the complete range where this value is present, and then close the bracket. It means that 500 is on 14th position in this data range. So I hope this video will add some value in your knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video tutorial.